You look this way though. You want to be on TV. Yes, show off those big brown eyes. June Dairy Month continues here on Buzzed Into Madison. We've taken a little road trip to find the cutest family in all of Iowa County. This is the Handel family. We're in Barneveld at B. Kurt Dairy. This is Brianna and Dylan and their 5 beautiful children. This was truly a dream of yours, so much so that you were buying cows as a teenager because you knew you wanted this.
Yes, yep. This was the dream.
I love that. Tell us a little bit about that story.
Yeah, so I was buying cows when I was 16 and then in hopes to someday farm, and eventually we rented a barn in Verona and moved our 16 cows there, and now in 2016 we purchased this farm and now we have 65 cows and 100 acres and 5 kids, so progress.
I love it. This story is incredible. Agritourism is really a passion of yours. It's all about educating and really teaching people what farmers are.
Yeah, we think there's it's great to have people out to the farm so they can learn and see what an actual dairy farm is. I think there's a stigma, and we want to show that there is still 99% of the farming population is family owned.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And there's a little farm store that you guys run as well, which is new just this year.
Yeah, so it's B. Kurt Dairy & Co. It's on 101 South Jones Street, and we have a variety of milk, cheese, yogurt, beef products, and pork products, and dry goods.
Wonderful. Well, there's lots. They're ready to get to work, so here we go. We have no more time. Let's get to work. Thanks so much, you guys.
Yes.
Celebrating June Dairy Month here in Wisconsin the best way we know how. From B. Kurt Dairy in Barneveld, I'm Emmy Fink, and you're buzzed into Madison.